Okay, this is me getting out of my truck after my message, and my friends are out here in the ocean. They're dolphins. They're called dolphins, and they're my buddies. And as soon as I walked down here, they were right here waiting for me. You can see them right here. I'll sing a song for them, and they'll jump out of the water. Could you be loved? Watch. See them? See them over here? Could you be loved? They're gonna. I'm waving to them. Watch. Well, I'll wave to them, and then they'll come out. They love Bob Marley. They love Bob Marley. What's up, brother? Show me something. Come on. Show everyone that you're my buddies. Come on. Jump out. Where are you? Jump! Oh, they're moving pretty fast. Maybe they're not so happy with me today. Come on. See them over there? Right over there. Right by where those birds are at. But anyhow, maybe they'll come back. Sometimes they come in close to say hi, but there's not very much surf, so they're probably looking for food. But anyhow, yeah. There they are. They're moving. All right. See you guys. This one I might not play this one. But yeah, they come around me quite a bit. They love my energy. They're waiting for the men of the Lord to straighten this place out. They can't wait. Look at how flat it is. This has just been the flattest winter ever. It's like, look at it. It's breaking right on it's right on the shore. That's all we get. That's all we've gotten in months now. Is this? Uh-oh, there's something in the water up here. What is that? Is it alive? The weirdest things happen to me when I come on the ocean. There's animals. Yep, that was a seal. Did you see him? He just left. He was goofing around in the shore break right here, and he saw me coming. No, that's not a seal. That's a log. Log. Yeah, no waves. Crap-a-dap-a-dilly. So, whoa. Tide's probably still coming up. Anyhow, this is not even a walk and talk. I'm just wanted to give you some mostly visuals. If I could shut up for a minute, and some audio. I'll just walk a little bit. You can listen. Nice, huh? Shalom, Israel.